more knowledge and ability by means of creating the system. And thus, to the past college. Since the researchers are undergraduate of past college, they will be proud for the knowledge acquired and skills developed by means of developing this proposed system and to help promote past college for having such good quality education, which through the success such knowledge for them to develop a proposed system that wasn't able to formulate before. This will also encourage other students to enroll at Max College because of the good quality of education that was given to the students.
Definition of terms. The following unfamiliar terms will be defined by the researchers in order for the readers to have a better understanding and application of the study. Record tracker system. A computer-based system wherein it tracks or finds a certain document, file, or proof that bears the history of some manual system operated by a person rather than a machine or computer, or by human effort rather than electricity or another type of power. Computer, an electronic device access, process, stores, and output data at high speed according to program instructions. Database, a systematically arranged collection of computer data, structured so that it can be automatically retrieved or manipulated. Today, Gardner's Club Award, recognition to people who have greatly contributed in the realization of gathering hundreds of thousands of cubic centimeters of fresh blood for the noble purpose of saving lives. Ages, boring because of being dull, monotonous or repetitive. Password, a secret word or phrase that somebody must use to gain entry of things. It's also a sequence of characters that must be in to gain access to all or part of a computer's system performance.
Now go to